You're hitting the gym, sweating your ass off, but the fat isn't coming off. Sound familiar? If you're working out but still stuck, chances are you're making one of these 5 mistakes. I'll break them down and show you how to fix them fast. I've seen these mistakes ruin results for so many guys. And don't get me wrong, I used to make them too. But once I fixed them, everything changed. Mistake number 1, doing too much cardio. I mean, what are you trying to be, a cardio bunny? Come on, guys. Prioritize strength training over doing endless hours of cardio. Cardio has a place in the program, right? But too much burns muscle. You want to prioritize strength training in your fat loss program and incorporate walking as a minimum number of steps or as a scheduled part of your fat loss program, utilizing any of the cardio machines inside the gym. Think of cardio more like insurance, not the main prescription. Mistake number 2, lifting too light. Those pink and purple 3-pound dumbbells you have sitting next to your bed are not gonna get you ripped. They're not gonna get you lean. They're not gonna get you shredded. You need to challenge your muscles when you train. Think progressive overload. Your last 1, 2, 3 reps should be real grinders. You wanna be challenged at the end of your set instead of just hitting a number because that's what your program says. Speaking of progressive overload, that is mistake number 3. No progression, staying the exact same. In the gym, it's you versus you. And if you're not pushing harder, your body won't change. You should be striving to be lifting more weight or more reps or adding intensifiers each week, each month, even if it's by a slight amount, so that your muscles will continue to be engaged and know, hey, we're being presented with new challenges. You need to stick around. It's important for you to stick around or even grow to be able to meet the need or meet the demand of these external forces on a week-to-week basis. When you're losing fat, when you're eating less calories than you're using in a day, your body sometimes wants to rob Peter to pay Paul. What does that mean? Sometimes to make up for that calorie deficiency, it might not just take away your fat, it might try to take away your muscle. But if you keep giving your body reasons to hold on to that muscle, I promise you, it's gonna stick around. Mistake number 4, the big one, the kicker, ignoring nutrition. You can't out-train a bad diet. No matter how hard your training is, if your nutrition sucks, you're not gonna lose fat. What you wanna do is hit your protein requirements based off of either your total body weight or your lean body mass. And do this while staying in a calorie deficit or eating less calories than you're burning in a day. And mistake number 5, no sleep equals less recovery. It's important for you to prioritize your sleep. If you're not getting enough sleep, this can lead to higher body fat or a harder time losing it, lower testosterone, and poor workouts. And your best solution is simply to prioritize 7 or more hours of sleep per night. If you made any of these mistakes, don't worry, I did too. But once I fixed them, my fat loss took off. And if you want more info on this to guarantee results, go to www.naturalbodymethod.com/learn, where I share 3 well-kept secrets that'll help you maximize your fat loss results while building or maintaining your muscle mass. I've helped hundreds of guys fix their nutrition, their workouts, and their mindset. Now it's your turn. I'll link it down below. Let me know what you guys would like to see in future videos in the comments and subscribe.